The TOAUTO DS90 soldering station kit features a dual digital display that switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius for easy temperature readings. With a powerful 90-watt ceramic heating core, this soldering station heats up to 590 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 seconds. It includes an advanced temperature control system that ensures precise and consistent soldering results. The station is equipped with safety features like an anti-static design and grounding wire, making it safe for both beginners and seasoned professionals. This kit is versatile, suitable for a variety of soldering tasks, ranging from electronic DIY projects to industrial manufacturing. The TOAUTO DS90 kit comes with 13 accessories, including 5 additional soldering tips and a roll of lead-free solder wire, providing excellent value for any soldering enthusiast.